can make this one, and also this and this one from watching this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Modern Hacks. Gardening in plastic bottle, also known as container gardening or bottle gardening, is creative and sustainable way to grow plants in limited space. Here are some key points to consider. Choice. Number 1, you can use various sizes of plastic bottles such as soda bottles, milk jugs or water bottles. Make sure you clean them thoroughly before use. Cutting and drilling. Depending on all type of plant you want to grow, you may need to cut or drill in holes the bottles drainage and airflow. Ensure proper dialogue or to prevent water. Number 3, soil and plants. You are well dying potting mix appropriate for your plants. You can grow a variety of plants in plastic bottle, including herbs, small vegetables, succulents, and flowers. Number 4, location. You choose a suitable location for your bottles in garden. It can be indoor on sunny windows, still outdoor shaded area with adequate sunlight. Number 4, wet watering. Be mindful to watering plastic bottle can retain moisture, so it's important not to overwater your plants. Use watering can or spray bottle to control water distribution. Number 6, fertilization. Depending on the plant's need, you may need to fertilize your bottle garden periodically with balanced liquid or slow release fertilizer. Number 7, maintenance. Regularly check for pests and diseases, prune and trim your plants needed to maintain their health and shape. Number 8, creative designs. Bottle garden can be arranged in creative ways such as vertical gardens or hanging gardens. You can paint or decorate the bottle for essential up. Bottles is eco-friendly as it repurposes waste materials. It is a great way to contribute sustainably and reduce plastic waste. Experiment and learn. First of all, if you are new here, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you like video, I will most thankful of you. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you can watch firstly video and decorate your homes. Now we can go over points. Experiment and learn. Container gardening in plastic bottle may require some trial and error. Experiment with different plants and bottle size to see that works best for your space and climate. Remember to adapt your bottle garden to your specific environment and the plant you want to grow. It is a fun and sustainable gardening method that can be tried to you sustainably and reduce plastic waste. Method you can trial your preference and space containers. Thank you. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe my channel Modern X. With subscribe you can visit my channel and decorate your homes from taking ideas from my channel Modern Hacks. I will upload video of decorating of your homes, my homes or anyone's, and offices also. If you want to get ideas, you can visit my YouTube channel Modern Hacks, and you can take more useful ideas that I already upload, and I will upload for your for your help. If you are new here, kindly subscribe my channel Modern Hacks. Thank you all.